Welcome to episode 3 of looking for snakes, salamanders, and whatever else we can find in the woods. Let's get to it. First find of the day is this rat snake. He's a juvenile, which means he's young, but he's really cool. He's got a pretty little snake right here. They're non-venomous, but they will eat rodents around your house, so they're pretty neat. Alright guys, I've waited till nighttime because nothing was showing itself during the day. So we're going to see what we can find here at night. Okay, I just found our first find. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a toad. That's cool. Right during the intro too. Let's pick this guy up. Seems to be an American toad. Alright. See ya. Just found another toad. This guy's quite a bit smaller though. Alright, American toad number 2. It isn't a reptile or amphibian, but there's a big old millipede. Alright, we're gonna keep on looking around. And here's toad 3.